My name is Jonathan Boehner. I'm a Senior Technical Manager for Extrusion with PacMoore, and I've been here since 2014. Our full-scale production line is based at our plant in Mooresville, Indiana, which is southwest of Indianapolis, about 10 miles. And that plant has a 120 millimeter extruder with all the ancillary equipment to go with the extrusion process. Our pilot innovation lab has a 57 millimeter extruder, which is scalable to our 120 millimeter at Mooresville. So it allows us to do technology transfer from Gridley over to Mooresville and make a seamless transition to that plant for scale up. So we're about 10% the size in terms of throughput at Gridley that we are at the plant in Mooresville. So, as people transition their products from development into full-scale production, we would go to Mooresville with that. So in terms of product categories that our equipment is capable of running would be in a crisp, a cereal crisp, or a protein crisp, probably the primary categories that we'll be working in. In addition to that, some pelleted products or some pre-gelled flour or starch products on that line. And then we have functional categories, so it may be a functional flavor where we're compounding a flavor onto a maltodextrin or a sugar type product that can be used downstream by a flavor company in a product. One of the things with the versatility of extrusion is really related to shape and ingredient inclusion. So we see a lot of trends in the food industry, and we're able to chase those trends with extrusion. So whether it be whole grains, whether it be ancient grains, whether it be gluten-free, we can work with a lot of those in extrusion. So by using, instead of a wheat flour, we may use a blend of rice flour and tapioca flour and potato flour to mimic the same product that we would have with a typical wheat flour based cookie product or similar items like that. So that's one thing that we can do with extrusion versatility. The other thing is shapes, and so with extrusion it allows us to make a ring, or it allows us to make a chip type format or a puff format. So if you think of Cheetos or cheese puffs or any of those products that you see on the market, the shape is fairly unlimited in what we can do just based off the geometries that we can cut out of the metal that we use for our dies. So that really gives us additional versatility, whether it be a snack food or an inclusion or a finished product of some type. It allows us a broad category of shapes and sizes.